I have an electric start Troy bilt that won't start TB280S.
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shut-off valve open and the fuel clean?
Where is the fuel valve?
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Of course.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nothing. I checked the air filter, oil, gas is clean, but not sure about the shut-off valve and where it is at.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Do you have spark if you remove the spark plug and ground it to the engine metal while cranking? If it has spark, put a small amount of fuel directly into the cylinder, reinstall the spark plug and see if it will start for a few seconds.
Where is the spark plug located? It is not like the older B and S engines where it is in the back and attached to a cable.
This is overhead valve engine, and the spark plug is on the side of the cylinder head, the side opposite the air cleaner. It has the spark plug cable just as the older flathead engines, but is tucked into the side of the head.
I found the spark plug. I removed it, it was very black. I cleaned it some and it sparked intermittently. I am getting a new spark plug to start.
Okay.
I will let you know if this works or not.
Thanks, no.
Will do.
Black plug indicates too much fuel, or not enough air, maybe choke not fully open?
Replace the plug. No difference.
Back to the plug, is spark good? Is spark plug wet or dry?
Last night I put a new plug in it with the same result. I checked the battery and the fuse for the hot wire was blown. I am currently waiting on another fuse.
Okay.
I have done everything and I don't think the engine is getting a spark. I will just take it to a repair shop. Thanks.
Thanks for the reply. Please use the 5-star rating system to close the question and get me any credit.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.